Straight epic and biblical up in here.
Epic and biblical.
Since they wanna test the power of a god, let them live in a facade where they broke but extra hard. Straight gangster till they get fucked by bumpy slongs, and that's a Johnson. Death is coming, son, it won't be long. Singing to the choir and preaching to the pulpit. Congregation blindfold, aiming with a full clip. Tap, 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 now you're it. 2 through 1 thigh and 2 through pure ribs. Puncture the lung, niggas like, ooh shit. Do we call an ambulance or do we Uber this kid? Hold up, wait till the shooters quit. Meanwhile, he lying down with doodoo in his fit. He outta here, that's hot lead, cancel culture, where the average man or woman is just a damn buster. Suggestion, protect your eyes from the vultures, and only sign on the dotted line when undercover. Motherfucker, if you got 2 balls, best act like it's 1. They test you cool, so they snip your testicles in slums.
Damn James, motherfucker. Let's go.
What's a goon to a goblin?
Goblin.
What's a goblin to a monster?
Monster.
What's a monster to a god, nigga? Oh my lord, nigga, this be hard. Where should I start? I know.
Where at?
Gotta keep my grass cut low.
Damn right.
Gotta watch for these snakes. The niggas is fake.
Yeah.
Smile in your face all the time. Wanna be in your place. Backstab.
Backstab.
Can't stand your actors.
Actors.
Can't stand y'all dumb ass, broke ass, stupid ass, whack ass rappers. Sold this and you sold that. Look at this and look at that. Go in your crib and it look like trash. Bank account on flat shit, talking number 1. All of y'all niggas my sons. I do this for fun. Make me a beat, then light me a blunt. Drink kinda indigo and pour another one. White beater, cap or a hat, and a fresh pair of Air Max. Yeah. Heard the mixtape, I don't even know why the hell you wanna sell it. I'm the shit and I know it. Roll the weed, we gon' blow it. All my queens are queens. All y'all hoes is hoeing. If you broke, then stack your paper. Change your ways if you a hater. Got a new girl, maybe drop mama hoes. My ex want me back, I said hell nah, bitch, see you later. Yeah.